Hi everyone!
Hi!
I'm here with Isaiah and we are going to unbox another MEL Kids Science kit. Today we're going to do the cave sound. Do you want to read this real quick?
Cave sound.
Alright, good. Let's show everyone what the box looks like. It's pretty cool, huh? You like it?
Yes.
You want to open it? Alright, why don't you say, let's open!
Let's open.
Okay, Isaiah, let's open the box. Okay, while he's on opening, let me explain real quick. Today we're going to make a music box and learn about loud, quiet, high-pitched, and low-pitched sounds. What's this?
설명서.
Yeah, okay, so we got a comic book style instruction book for the kids. Okay. What else do we got? It looks like an AR app card. You can use this with the phone later. What else do we have here? I'm not sure what this is. It looks like we're gonna have to put these in the pegboard later. Okay. And what else do we have? Take it out. A red box and a blue box. And your favorite, a sticker. What's on the sticker? Can you explain what's on the sticker?
Dragon.
Oh, it's a dragon. What color dragon?
Red.
Yeah, it's a red dragon. Okay, good. Let's. Are you ready to make it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, here here are the instructions. What do you need first? You need the, what is this called? The large gear and the rivet. Okay, here's the instructions. You need one large gear and one rivet. Are you done?
Yes.
Good. Number 2. You need, what is this called? Can you show the camera real quick?
Dragon.
Yeah, it's a dragon. Alright. But there's 2 dragons. You need the dragon with the tail. Okay, good. Okay, let's check the picture here. Is it the same?
Yes.
Push until it clicks. Did it click? Let me check. Alright, good. Number 3. Well, that's not number 3. What is that?
5.
Alright, let's go to number 3. Oh, you need to connect something to the rivet. That is called a O-ring. You need to get an O-ring.
Orange.
O-ring. That looks like it. Maybe.
Orange.
And where do you put the O-ring?
Here. Oh.
Here. Yes. Do you want some help?
No.
No? Okay. And next, we got to do number 4, and this is, do you want to know the name of it? It's called a handle.
Handle.
Yeah, there's the handle right there. I think this gotta go in the hole. Okay, good. Are we ready for the next page?
Yes.
Okay, number 5. We need to get this little guy, and it's called a small gear. Can you say small gear?
Okay.
And then let me help you with that. You gotta connect it. Good. Okay. What? Can I show the camera real quick for you? Okay. I got longer arms. Can I do it for you? Hold on. So here we go. So we just connected the handle and now in 2 gears and it's rotating. Cool. Whoops. Sorry. Daddy just broke it. But we can put it back together, right? Okay, let me do it for you real quick. Okay, good. We're now on step.
Yeah. Yeah.
No. No. Sit down. Sit down. Let me finish. So Isaiah just finished making the music box, and this is what the trackboard looks like. Okay, and so what he'll do is stick the trackboard into the gears, and then use the handles to get the trackboard moving. I'm just gonna let him play with it. Go for it. Wow, beautiful music. Okay.
네, 오늘은 이사야랑 아빠가 Cave Sound라는 이름을 가진 키트를 가지고 뮤직박스를 만들어 보았습니다. 처음에 만들었던 크리스탈 스크린보다는 피스가 조금 더 많고 조작이 꽤 복잡했어요. 그리고 단단하게 끼워야 되는 부분들이 있었는데 아이가 처음에 성격이 급하니까 막 시도를 했다가 잘 안 되면 아빠가 도와주고 요런 일련의 시행착오를 많이 겪었고요. 대신 아이가 힘을 주어 뭐 꾹꾹 눌러봐도 쉽게 부러질 만한 소재는 아니고 굉장히 단단한 나무라서 괜찮았던 것 같아요. 그리고 이제 다 만들고 아이랑 같이 이제 이런저런 얘기를 해봤는데 어떤 질문들을 했었냐면 이 앞에 있는 세 개의 메럴이 왜 다른 소리를 낼까? 그랬더니 길이가 달라서 그런 것 같다고 하고 그럼 길이가 짧을수록 높은 소리를 낼까? 뭐 낮은 소리가 낼까? 그래서 그것도 한번 해봤고 그 다음에 이 뒤에 이제 보드에다가 지금 이사야가 화음을 만들어냈어요. 그래서 처음에는 어떻게 하는지 모르니까 그냥 막 꽂다가 나중에는 이 아이가 이걸 가지고 내가 음을 직접 디자인할 수 있구나, 컴포즈 할 수 있구나 이렇게 생각을 해서 일렬로 뭐 팩을 이렇게 3개도 꽂아보고 그럼 화음이 되잖아요. 그런 것들도 이제 터득해 가면서 나름 멜로디를 만들어내더라고요. 그래서 작곡의 기초가 되는 원리까지 배울 수 있는 아주 유익한 키트였습니다. 오늘도 저희 아이와 아빠의 좌충우돌 과학실험 영상을 봐주셔서 정말 감사합니다. 다음에 또 만나요. Thank you for watching. Bye everybody.